Hey class, good evening. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing awesome and welcome to yet another session of Umang series for grade 9. And today, as I've told you, we'll be talking about the cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so it's a very good topic, it's a very important topic, and a simple theorem regarding it will be solving 90% of the problems. So not 90 because 100%, because that is the only most important theorem which is useful to you. Okay, so we'll be decoding each and every part of cyclic quadrilateral today. But before that, we'll be talking and discussing the previous week's homework question as well. Okay, so welcome again to all of you, those who are new here, those who are seeing me for the first time. My name is Gopal Paliwal and I'm your master teacher of mathematics at Vedantu. So let us start the session. Okay, so before starting the session, bachcho, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, it's a very important thing which we want you to do. Okay, because it encourages us and it makes our reach longer, okay, or broader, because we are providing this quality education at this YouTube platform so that each and every child can get the same education which anyone, like same education can be given to any part of the country, to any children, okay, any child we can give it to. So let's move ahead with the previous class homework question. So in the previous class I have given you this question as the homework, where I have told you AB and CD are two equal chords. They are two equal chords of a circle with center O. OP and OQ are perpendiculars on chords AB and CD respectively. Okay. If angle POQ is equal to 120 degree, POQ is 120 degree, find angle APQ. This angle you need to find out. You need to find out APQ. This angle you need to find out. Correct? So the couple of theorems you need to understand. First thing, if they are giving AB is equal to CD. First thing you know that from the center, if you draw a perpendicular, this perpendicular, if it is drawing, that means P and Q are the midpoints of that chord. Correct? That thing you know. Also, AB and CD are given equal chord. But see, that theorem, that part is not needed, but I'm giving you the information. AB and CD are given equal chords. That means you know a theorem that equal chords lie at a equal distance from center. Right? Equal chords are equidistant from the center. So using that theorem, I can say that OP is equal to OQ because it is given AB and CD are equal chords. Correct? So AB and CD are equal chords. So I can say OP is equal to OQ because equal chords are equidistant from the center. Once I have got OP is equal to OQ, now you know bachcho that this whole angle has to be 180 degree. If this part is 90, correct, and this is an isosceles triangle, so it is X, let us say this is also X. So 120 plus X in triangle OPQ. Okay, so in triangle OPQ or PQO, you will be getting 120 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So solving this, you will be getting X is equal to 30 degree. Right? So this angle POQ, this angle you have got as 30 degree. This angle is given as 90 degree. Correct? So third angle you can easily find out using supplementary angle. So you can say angle APQ plus the 30 degree plus 90 degree should be equal to 180 degree. So when you'll solve this, you'll be getting angle APQ is equal to 60 degree. So the main part is writing part. You have to first, you cannot directly write that OPQ is isosceles. So you have to write it first that OP is equal to OQ because AB and CD are equal chords. So equal chords are equidistant from the center. And then proceed further. Okay. So this was the homework question and we have got the correct answer from Field Physics, Ranav, Shiven, official heroic online update, Aman Pal, Rajni Kulkarni, Anushka Shankar, Valay Kumbhalkar, Hiram Damble and Pinking. So these are the students who has given the correct answer. And let's move ahead with today's class. So as I've told you, bachcho, we'll be talking about cyclic quadrilateral. So first thing you should to understand that cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral where all the four vertices touch the circumference of the circle. What do I mean by it is, suppose, see, it should be very clear. Many students have this doubt. Any quadrilateral inside a circle is not cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose if I have a circle like this, okay, and let us say this is the center O. Now this ABOC is a quadrilateral, but it is not a cyclic quadrilateral. It is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? Because see, A is on the circumference, B is on the circumference, C is on the circumference, but O is not on the circumference. So this case, if you will see, A is on the circumference, B is also on the circumference, C is also on the circumference, and D is also on the circumference. That means all the four vertices of the quadrilateral has to touch the circle. Then only it will be a cyclic quadrilateral. Now once if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, it has a very important property, and that property is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So if a cyclic it works both ways. If a quadrilateral is cyclic, if it is given, then opposite angles will be supplementary, and if in any quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary, definitely that will be a cyclic quadrilateral. So it is a converse for each other as well. Got it? If it is cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. If in a quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary, quadrilateral is cyclic. Understood? Now the proof is, for this proof we need a very specific information. The information is the angle subtended by any arc at the center is double of the angle at the circumference, right? So let us say this arc DBC is subtending at an angle of 2x. Okay, angle of 2x at the center. So at the circumference it will subtend an angle x. Right? Similarly, the other part, the rest over part of the arc, this part, it is subtending an angle of 2y at the center. So it's half y it will be subtending at the circumference. Right? Now you know from here that 2x plus 2y is a complete angle which is 360 degree. So if you take 2 common, so 2 times of x plus y is equal to 360. So shift 2 there, you will be getting x plus y is equal to 360 by 2, which is 180 degree, right? Once you have told it is 180 degree, that means you can see now opposite angles are supplementary. So the proof is very easy based on the part that in a circle, okay, the angle subtended by any arc at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So this is the most important property, and all the questions will be related to this part only. So let's move to the questions of cyclic quadrilateral. So I have told you this thing, bacho. Cyclic quadrilateral questions, whenever you are getting, keep this thing always at the back of your mind that opposite angles will be supplementary. Let's move now. In the given figure, what is the measure of angle x? Now see, the questions will be very easy once I have explained the theorem to you properly. Questions are very easy. See here properly. As you can see, ABCD is a quadrilateral, which is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the 4 points are on the circumference of the circle. So if this angle is 120, bacho, I can say sum of these two angles should be angle B plus angle D has to be 180 degree. If angle D is 120 degrees, so I can say angle B, what will be angle B? Angle B will be 60 degree. And if this is 60 degree, you can say angle X is nothing but 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. See? So easy. The questions are very easy once you have understood the theorem properly. Okay? Chalo. So the correct answer here is 120 degree. Let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this. In the given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle and ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Then find the measure of angle BDC. Again, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Always think in the terms of angles. In an equilateral triangle, all the 3 angles are 60 degree, right? So I know this angle is 60, this angle is 60, and this angle is 60. Correct? Now, if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, you know sum of these two angles should be angle A plus angle D should be 180 degree. So angle D will be 180 minus what is angle A? 60. So angle D is 120 degree, as simple as that. Correct? So you can see the questions are very easy, bacho. Very easy. Okay. Feel very confident about this topic. I'm telling you. The questions are very easy for focus on these theorems. Let's move to the next question. In the given figure, angle PQR is 100 degree. Okay. Where P, Q and R are points on a circle with center O. Okay. Find angle OPR. This angle you need to find out. this angle again can be found very easily, don't worry. First thing bachcho, why they have given this angle as 100 degree? There is a reason. The reason is so that you can get the opposite angle here by if OPQRA is the cyclic quadrilateral. See, A is on this part, so I can say that sir, angle Q plus angle A should be equal to 180 degree. By angle Q is what? 100 degree. So angle A will be equal to 80 degree. Correct. Now step by step you have to think about the theorems. Angle A is 80 degree. Now does this figure look similar? Does this figure look similar to you? Have you seen this figure? Yes, you have seen this figure. You know that the angle subtended by this arc PQR at the center will be double of the angle at the circumference. So if this angle is 80 degree, this angle will be 160 degree. Correct? Now, once you have got this angle, let's talk about triangle POR. So in triangle POR, bachcho, I know PO is equal to OR because both are equal to radius of the circle. If both are equal to radius of the circle, isn't it a isosceles triangle? It is, right? It is an isosceles triangle. So if it is an isosceles triangle, bachcho, so I can say 160 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 10 degree. So this angle will be equal to what? 10 degree and 10 degree. So easy, right? So this is how these questions can be easily solved. Understood? So this is how these kind of questions can be easily solved, and I hope all of you have understood these questions very clearly. Okay, chalo. So let's move to the next question. So the next question we have is this. In figure ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, we can see that. AB is extended till F. Okay, AB is extended till F. And BE is parallel to DC. Okay, so this BE and this DC, they both are parallel. Keep this thing in your mind because extra information always will be used somewhere. If angle FBE is 20 degree and DAB is equal to 90 degree, find angle ADC. So focus, you need to find out this angle ADC, right? Now what is the information available to you? The information available to you is if it is 90 degree, 95 degree, you can clearly say this angle, opposite angles are supplementary. So this angle will be 180 minus 95 degree, which means 85 degree. Correct? This means what? 85 degree. Correct? So we have got this angle C as 180 minus 95, which is 85. Now let's move ahead. Second thing we know, bachcho, that BE is parallel to DC. These two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. Correct? So if this angle is 85 degree, so by, you can see here clearly, by interior alternate angle, see the Z formation. So if it is 85 degree, this angle will also be 85 degree. Correct? So I have got this part is also 85 degree. Right? Now let's move further. So now what we have got till now, see, so the diagram I have explained you properly. So what we have got till now? So till now what we have got, this part is 85, this part is also 85, right? Solution part to bacho you can do on your own. Okay, writing to you can do. Writing part to I'm been telling you each and every theorem how to write that is very easy. Understand how to think about it. Okay, so whatever information you can extract, try to write that part. Now you know bacho that this angle also we can find out, yes or no? Yes sir, because ABF is a straight line. So this whole angle should be 180 degree. So this angle, what will be this angle? So this angle ABC, angle ABC will be equal to 180 minus 85 minus 20. Correct? So what are you getting? You are getting 180 minus 85 minus 20, 105. That means 75 degree. So this angle is what? 75 degree. If this angle is 75 degree, the opposite angle has to be. So angle ADC will be 180 minus 75, which means 105 degrees. Correct? So this is how such kind of questions can be solved very easily. Understood? So you can see, bacho, I'm not using more theorems, just a basic theorem. which is that sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question we have is, show that the quadrilateral formed by the angle bisectors of cyclic quadrilateral is also cyclic. Again bachcho, a very easy question. See, these angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, these are what? Formed by angle bisectors. So you can see na, that angle 1 is angle A by 2, angle 2 is angle B by 2, angle 3 is angle C by 2, and angle D is angle 4 is angle D by 2, right? Because these are angle bisectors. Angle bisector means what? They are dividing into two parts. So this is half part of angle A, this is half part of angle A. Correct? Now think further. We know one thing, bachcho, that talk about this triangle. What is this triangle? So in this triangle, can you tell me what is angle APB? Sir, angle APB will be equal to 180 degree minus angle 1 minus angle 2, right? Sum of 180 minus sum of the other two. Similarly, talk about this triangle. In triangle DRC, I can say angle DRC will be equal to 180 minus angle 3 minus angle 4. Correct? Now, if I want to prove this PQRS as a cyclic quadrilateral, the only thing which I want to prove is that the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. Correct? So now I know what is this angle. This angle is what? 180 minus angle 1 minus angle 2. And what is this angle? 180 minus angle 3 minus angle 4. Let us add these two angles. What we will be getting? So let's add these two. So I'll be getting angle APB plus angle DRC is equal to 180 plus 180 is 360, and then we have minus angle 1 minus angle 2 minus angle 3 minus angle 4. Correct? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 I have told you is A by 2, B by 2. So let us write that. So it will be A by 2, okay, whatever the angle values, right? Now tell me one thing, bachcho. Okay, so I can take like this, na? So okay, so now let us take this part common. So you'll be getting 360. Now if I take negative common, I will be getting A plus B plus C plus D by 2. Correct? Now I need to find out what should be the value of A plus B plus C plus D. Forget everything, bachcho. It is a quadrilateral. Cyclic or whatever it is, first thing I know, it is a quadrilateral. So in a quadrilateral, sum of interior angles. In a quadrilateral, sum of interior angles is 360 degree. So this angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degree. Put 360 there. So you'll be getting what? 360 minus 360 by 2 is 180, which is equal to 180 degrees. So what you have got? Angle APB plus angle DRC. This angle plus this angle is 180 degree. That means you have proved opposite angles are supplementary. So it will be a cyclic quadrilateral. Understood? So this is how always focus whenever you have to prove any quadrilateral in any question. If the question is prove that the given quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral, always focus on proving the opposite angles of that quadrilateral to be supplementary. Understood? Chalo, let's move ahead. So now let's move to the next question. Next question we have is, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and angle DAB is equal to 50 degree. Find the value of X and Y. Again, a very easy question. First thing, bachcho, O is the center of the circle. So OA and OB will be radius, right? So when OA and OB are radius, if these two sides are equal, so angle opposite to them will also be equal. So this angle is also 50 degree. If this is 50, this is 50. So this angle using angle sum property should be 80 degrees. Then, so we have got angle X is equal to 100 degrees. Angle X done. Now, see properly here, A, B, C and D is a cyclic quadrilateral, yes or no? Yes. So, if this angle is 50, the opposite angle will be supplementary. So, 180 minus 50, which means 130 degree. As simple as that. Understood? So, this is how the questions are very easy. Just try to see the diagram. Drawing the diagram helps a lot. Okay, chalo. So now let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this. In the figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and angle CBO. This angle, okay, CBO, okay, this angle is 48 degree, okay, CBO, this angle is 48 degree and A is equal to 2B. Where is A? Acha. This part is your A, okay, it is not visible properly to you, and this part is your B. It is given angle A is equal to twice of B. Calculate the numerical value of B. You have to find out what is B. Correct. Now bachcho, let us focus carefully. Look at whatever things I can get now, I'll try to get that part. First thing you can see here, these two lines are intersecting. Even though it is useful or not, just write it. What if it can be used somewhere? So if it is 48 degrees beta, this will be also 48 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle, right? That part will be 48 degree. Also, you know this angle will be 180 minus 48. 180 minus 48 means 132 degrees. Correct? Yes, correct. Now, that is your angle A and here is your angle B. So now, what we can do further is, if this is 132 degree, bachcho, okay, if this is 132 degree, I can say ABCD. Look here properly. At A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Correct? So if it is 132 degree, it is 180 minus 132, which is 48 degree. Correct? Which is 48 degree. Right? Now let us talk about, you want to create a equation in B. Right? So what we can do here is, angle B, if I take this part 48 plus this, okay, so I won't be getting anything. Then what if I take this whole? If I take this as a whole, angle B plus 48 will be equal to, I can say angle A plus 48 plus X. If let us say if I take this as X, so that part will be something else. Let's think about it, what can be done. So angle B plus 48 is 48 here, 48, 132, that is 48. I have this triangle, okay, and then any other triangle which I have. So if I take this as X, this should also be equal to X. Including B, we have this triangle. So B plus 48 plus this triangle should be equal to something. Okay. Very good. Okay. Chalo. So now I have got it. What we can do, bachcho? See. Now let us talk about the other part. Okay. The other part which I want you to focus is, one angle you have got. Now let us talk this angle. Let us say this angle is X. Angle A is X. So the opposite angle in the cyclic quadrilateral is angle C. So this will be 180 minus X. Right? Because A and C are opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Now let us talk about the triangle ADO. In triangle ADO, what do you have, bachcho? You have 48. Angle D is 48 plus angle A here is X plus angle O here is B is equal to 180 degree. This is your first equation you have. Okay, so shift it there. X plus B is 132 degree. Okay, this is your first equation, let us say. Now let's talk about this triangle PDC. PDC. So in triangle PDC, what do you have? See, angle A, at P you have angle A plus angle D is 48 degree plus angle C is 180 minus X is equal to, bachcho, 180 degree. It should be equal to 180 degree. Right? Correct na yaar? It should be equal to 180 degree. So now this 180 to this 180 got cancelled. Correct? So what you are left with? You are left with angle A plus 48 minus X is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see angle A is equal to, or if I shift it, you'll be getting x is equal to angle A plus 48. Angle x is equal to, you know, angle A plus 48. From here also you can get x is equal to 132 minus b. Okay, so let us focus on these equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Both are the values of x. One value of x is 132 minus b, one value of x is angle A plus 48. Both are the values of x, so both should be equal. Yes sir, let's make them equal. So you can see 132 minus b is equal to, what is a equal to? You want to get the answer of a, right? What is a equal to? Twice of b. So you can write it as 2b plus 48. Shift 48 there, b here. So 132 minus 48 is equal to 2b plus b will become 3b. So you'll be getting 3b is equal to 132 minus 48. So 84. So b will be equal to 84 by 3, which means 28. So angle B is equal to 28 degrees. Okay, angle B is equal to 28 degrees. So this is how it can be easily done. Understood? Chalo. So now bachcho, this is the homework question which I have given you for this class. This is the diagram in which O is the center of the circle and AOC is equal to 160 degree. This part. Find out the value of 3 times of angle Y minus 2 times of angle X. This is 160 degree, this is Y, this is X. You have to get the value of 3 times of angle Y minus 2 times of angle X. Okay, this is your homework question. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. Also, bachcho, do download the Vedantu app. All in one app it is. Free study material, free class schedule, free practice test. Okay, everything you are getting here. Okay, bachcho. Also, I have been getting many queries that sir, my doubts are there, some doubts are there. I try to reach out to you, bachcho, but sometimes I am not able to reach out to you because I am also busy with other things. So for that purpose, I am telling you, try to join the Vedantu Telegram group. Okay, Telegram, download Telegram, join Vedantu 9th and 10th. Its joining link will be in each and every video of this Vedantu channel. Okay, join that group, that is specifically for 9th and 10th only. So only 9th and 10th students are there and all of them are discussing their doubts. Okay, bachcho. So do download that app. Next thing is, any part you are getting me, you can reach out to me. I will try my best to answer to your query as well. Also, like, share and subscribe to this channel, bachcho. Okay, and the most important thing is press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for every video coming to you. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I hope all of you enjoyed the class and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you soon. Bye bye, bachcho.